I'm right at Penn Herb, right near my house. A short drive. And I'm going to film what I purchased now for my health. So here I am with my bag. And I'm bringing out bay leaves for clearing the air. More bay leaves. So I bought 2 of those. I bought a peppermint oil. That's an essential oil that's derived from the actual plant. I use that in my basement to deter rodents. I do live in a city and they come in once in a while. So anyway, here's the organic lemonade. Alright, so it's not really lemonade, it's a tea lemonade. It tastes homemade, it's really good. It has real sugar. I don't eat corn syrup. And I bought a hair regrowth tea. I'm going to try that. I do tend, when I get stressed, it affects me. And I bought natural crushed oregano. You can buy the herbs in bulk at Penn Herb Company. They have a downtown store at 2nd, and they're offering a class, Aromatic Medicine Back to Basics, and that's the little brochure they gave me. Alright, so let's see, anything else I bought. Something else is in this bag. Now hold on a minute, what is going on? How's that sound? Oh, I bought these, yes. These are good. They're papaya. There we go. Original papaya enzymes. They're little tablets you can chew. If you've had a big meal, they help a little bit. So here's my stash for today. And here we go, up to the sign. The wonderful Penn Herb. They've been around they've been at this location not too long, but they're a downtown store. And I like it, they're close to my house. They don't have a lot of food up here though. They don't have produce. They have some thing in the refrigerator like flax oil and probiotics. But the downtown store has the produce, like real fresh and everything. So it's close by, I like it. I don't have to drive far. So that's my Penn Herb today. Nature's Wonderland. Thanks for watching. See you next time.